the secret lies in the balance of sweet and tangy.
Hey, my little helpers, we need some lemons for this.
I know where there's a ton back on the island near Lemonade Falls.
Welcome to my loony kitchen.
Hop on board, I'll give you a ride. I'll swan dive. Cartwheel. Or maybe not. And we'll get started on the crust. To your flour, add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of table salt. You can't use kosher salt because the crystals are too big and they might not get mixed in all the way. And then you just get a... Now, add in a 1/4 cup of cubed butter straight out of the refrigerator and a 1/4 cup of cold shortening. Only mix it until you get small pea-sized butter lumps, like that. And add in 3 to 5 tablespoons of chilled water, 1 tablespoon at a time. It's amazing how quickly this comes together. Now wrap it in plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. 30 minutes is better. Did you find them yet? I'm gathering them up now. Okay, we're almost to the filling part when we need them. We blind bake the shell so we don't get a soggy bottom. Turn your oven to 375. And roll out your dough until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Give it a 1/4 turn every so often to help keep it even and round. You're gonna use almost every bit of it, so you don't want it all wonky and misshapen. Lift it onto the pan and let it fall into the corners, or press it down, help it in there. And press it into the flutes. Use your rolling pin to cut off the edges. See, we almost used all of it. Prick the bottom with the fork. This is called docking. Crumple up a piece of parchment paper and pour in baking beans to keep your crust down. You can also use rice if you don't have baking beans. Ready for the filling for this southern confection? Good timing, we're almost done with the crust. Bake for 10 minutes, then remove the beans and bake for 15 minutes longer. All right, we're having fun now. Take 1/2 cup of softened butter and cream that together with 1 3/4 cup sugar. Beat it for 5 minutes. Beat it. Add in 5 eggs, 1 at a time, and scrape down the bowl to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. And the juice and zest of 2 lemons. That's about 1/3, 1/2 cup of the juice. Not all lemons are the same size, if you know what I mean. Careful not to go all the way down to the white part, because your zest is where all the flavor is. The white part is bitter. We just want flavor. Did you remember to turn down the oven? Oops. Turn it down to 325 and put your rack on the bottom slot. And our ancient family secret is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add in 2 tablespoons of cornmeal for that southern texture of a chess pie. But we're making a chess tart. Pour it all into the crust. See how liquid it is? Very easy to get a soggy bottom if we didn't par bake the crust first. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes until there's no jiggle in the middle and it isn't very brown on top. You don't want it brown. And let it cool all the way, about 2 hours in the fridge, and serve it with whipped cream. The perfect balance of sweet and tangy. I agree. This lemon chess tart is a masterpiece. Leave a comment. We love to read your comments. It makes our day.